Computer here. Today, we will be discussing how a return statement is different from a print function. They can look quite similar, especially in Python because of how Python Interactive Shell works. However, they serve a completely different purpose. A print function simply prints the argument to the console. It does nothing more or nothing less. On the other hand, a return statement only exists inside of a function, and it is how function sends back the result to the original caller of the function. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we define two similar functions. Change sign print takes a number, num, as an argument, and prints -1 multiplied by num. Change sign return is the same function, but instead of printing the result, we instead return the result. Let's see how these two functions are different. In Python Interactive Shell, if you call the function, change sign print, with num equal to 3, -3 gets printed. However, calling change sign return, with the same argument, also prints -3 to the shell. This is what we meant earlier, when we said Python Interactive Shell can be confusing. Python Interactive Shell displays both results from a print function and return statement. In order to see the difference, we need to assign the function call to a variable. Here, we assign the function, change sign print, to a variable called result. -3 is printed to the shell, because of a print function inside of the called function. Now, when we print result, it contains none, which is Python's way of saying that nothing is stored in the variable. This is because the function never returned a value. Without a return statement, a function cannot communicate back to the caller of the function. Therefore, a variable cannot receive a value from a function. Now, when we assign the function, change sign return, to a variable, we see that nothing is printed to the shell, because there is no print function inside change sign return. When we print the variable, -3 is printed, because the function returned -3, which was then assigned to the variable. Essentially, a return statement replaces the function call with the returned value. I hope you now better understand the difference between a return statement and a print function. That's it for me today. Computer signing out.